I want to film. It's currently 2:38 and today is Monday, that is 7th of April 2025. Yeah, because we're keeping record. I just finished making my weight loss tea. I learned that online, just natural way of losing weight. I noticed that so far so good. I have done it myself without taking any tea. You guys know what happened to me the last time I bought weight loss tea from an Instagram vendor and what happened to me. So I had to just trash it. Hi, my love. So I just finished batch filming. I filmed like 4 videos for my other platforms, and I'm also filming for YouTube because right now I'm filming for YouTube. This was my little makeup, no makeup look. I don't like wearing makeup, honestly. Nevertheless, it's so fine. I'm editing my videos. I need to post it today. I've been posting since the beginning of this month. I've been posting back to back on all platforms. I mean, aside YouTube, but I've posted on YouTube anyway. So this Sunday, fingers crossed, I'm going to drop a vlog, okay? Yeah, I think we'll be posting more of Sunday, then on Fridays too. God will help me. It's not easy, but God will definitely help me. I just finished filming for my other platforms. That's why I'm sweating. How do you see my outfit? Let me adjust the camera. I want to step out now and I want to go and change my phone. When I get the phone, I'm going to show you. I'm so excited, honestly. So this is my outfit for today. I want to go run an errand and definitely you're going to enjoy this vlog. Guys, I'm currently at the place where they're selling phone. So I'm preparing to go to the market to get some things. I have this. I have Dream Memory. Yes, let's check it out. Here. This perfume is perfect. I don't know if you sure. For the next 2 years, I don't think I'll be get another perfume. This is good. This is suddenly fragrance, and this is not the type of perfume you will just smell anywhere. So let's check this perfume out. Let me use this side. Oh my god. This one is not following me to bus stop type of perfume. Oh. Let me even wear it. I don't like harsh perfumes and barrels. Let's check. From their packaging, you shall know them. This is good. This is phone holder. Nice. You can just place your phone here and do your video. I have a mic already. I have a 2-in-1 mic, but I'm going to check this one out later and see how the sound is. Jewelries from Timo. I'm just doing a quick unboxing. Wow. It's actually my size. Oh my god. It's about to rain. Chineke, no. By fire by force, we're going to film content. They just took the light because it's about to rain. So I decided to bring influencer lights. Yes. To wear it and see. This is the one I'm wearing before now. One thing about this is you can easily extend it to whichever size you want it to be. I just hope every one of them is my size actually. Let me just check out a few of them. So this is the one I'm wearing. I'm a lover of gold rings. You guys know that accessories can actually lift your outfit. Take it from 0 to 100. So I can wear this anywhere I want to. I'm going to wear this. Is so beautiful. Influencer lights. I'm going to put the picture on the screen so you see what I'm talking about. I beg anyway you see my audio will help me create sound. So I'm saying this try. This is the pack. This is the fun. Hey! Let's open it. Let's open it. Mm-hmm. 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 Beautiful. I love that it's black. Oh my god, it's so sleek. So beautiful. I woke up so happy. Yesterday was really a hectic day for me. After going to the market, I came back. I was really tired. I cooked a greasy soup yesterday, made some fruit juice. I wasn't able to show you guys what I bought from the market because I was really tired. Yeah. I just said let me give you guys update of what happened yesterday. And today is Friday. I'm actually editing at the moment the video I'm supposed to post either today or on Sunday. Today is Sunday and I just woke up right now. I'm supposed to prepare for church. Yes. I've already brought out my church clothes that I'll use in filming. I need to start preparing because I'm already late. This is my first time really taking you guys along, honestly. Before it's just wear my clothes and that is it. But today I want to take you guys along. On maybe another Sunday, I'll just do a full Sunday get ready with me on YouTube instead of just posting it on my other platform. Even when what are you? Crunch. Crunch. Sure, Shirley. Hi my loves, Bake. I am back from the market, guys. This is not a market vlog. Any day I go to the market, I end up being so tired when I come back, honestly, because I literally work hard inside the market. If there's anyone like that, obviously there is not. So for my room, Martin got this like 6 pieces. Then I got this as well. Then you all know I love vitamin. I got this too. I got this because I do mix my vitamin with this. This one is a Vita Choco. I love it. I just mix because inside my water can like this, then put it inside the freezer and take it small. I'm going to make onubu soup and oha soup tomorrow, and I bought 2 chicken and aquarano. This is 2 chicken, 9,000 naira. Maybe I'll get a second one corner. 2 sachets of tomato because I have another one. I want to have things that I will use in cooking. Whenever I want to cook something, I'll just just cook up something without having to go to the market all the time. And you guys know that I don't post real time, so in case you watch my videos and you only see me go to the market, I just post when I want you guys to see what I actually bought. I bought mango. I hope I didn't bore you. I hope I didn't waste your time, right? Alright, guys, see you when I see you.
That Jesus said that is easy for you to. They met and they took cancer and said, we are going to confront that. But whose heart was
Love, I'm in love, I'm in love. Tomorrow is Good Friday and the weekend is Easter. The weekend is Easter and typical Nigerian homes we make rice, or kill chickens, we kill goats, macaroni will. But in my house, I'm not making anything out of ordinary. I'm not the intercontinental type of girly. It's not like I cannot watch them and just replicate what I watched. I just want to have something simple. So I'll be making a ginger of rice in the weekend. I've bought salad. I'm going to make coleslaw. Do you know what? I'm making spark today. I just want to edit my videos, honestly. I don't want to film too much videos, because the more you film videos and you don't edit them, the more workload for you. Physics students. I think that's that basically. See you later. Happy Easter, my fans. I don't keep bringing this phone to my face because I can't do TV. You TV. Came back. I brought Fife meant today. Yeah, but if I speak English, I didn't have water for some days. I called the first tanker. This man, where worry, I'm waiting that he's going to come. He never came. I've been managing water. Enugu and water are not friends. If you're looking for a house in Enugu, you have to also check out if they have water. If the house you're checking out, they don't have water. Let's say you're moving into a new house and they don't have, you check the tank and the tank is not big. Just know that you'll be suffering what I'm suffering now. Hey, this one don't pass suffering, it's suffering because my tank is very small, so every now and then I'm always buying water. I did a sit down video for my other platform, but I'm going to infuse it. I have a video for you. I filmed a video yesterday. I hope you learn one or two from this video I'm going to post right now. This film where Jesus is carrot do it good. In Manambo Judas such a real Jesus, he never knew that his betrayal would end Jesus on the cross. In fact, when Jesus said, "One of you will betray me," and that way any Judas no give this thing. There are a few things I learned from this man, and this is it. Even though Judas knew with his heart wasn't totally surrendered to Jesus. You know how you want to be identified as unwatchable, but your heart is distant from God. You know the repercussion of that your fake love. You are liable to fall into temptation without knowing that even though you fall, you've been given the grace to go back to God and ask for his mercy. One difference between Peter and Judas was that Peter realized that, oh, he denied Jesus. What did he do? He went back and asked forgiveness. Judas was just there, beating himself up, allowing the devil to sow seed of you are filthy, you are not worthy to go back to God. What did he do? Are you in that situation where you are just feeling like you're unworthy, that you cannot go back to God? There is something about Jesus that you should know. He's a merciful father. Even though Jesus knew that it is Judas Iscariot that will end up betraying him, he still washed his feet. What manner of love is this? Can't help leave that voice in your head that is telling you, oh, Nanjoga Bunjobu, yeah, no mequatalism. See, my dear, go back to God this season. He know your limitation. What is this? You're just mere human. You cannot do it by your strength. I say, by strength shall no man prevail. Come boldly to the throne of grace that you and me may obtain mercy in the time of need. There is one thing I know that is conversant with God. He shows mercy. It's just between you and him in the secret place. go to him and ask him forgiveness. Acknowledge that you've sinned against heaven. Just like the prodigal son, he told his father, I have sinned against heaven and before thee. I am not worthy to be called your son. And what did the father do? Before his feet was even getting to the ground, he held him up and said, my son, I've been waiting for you. He had a feast just for him. But he heaven rejoiced for that one particular soul that gave his life to Christ. The multitude of people when I say I love God, but go back to him. He's calling you. I hope I made sense. So over the years, I have never liked my skin type. I want to have this particular skin type. I don't know where that came from, but I thank God that God actually delivered me from that place, because it's not a good place. It's giving low self-esteem. It's giving you don't appreciate God's goodness. The good one. That is what the devil does, you know. He will put it in your mind that, oh, you need to buy bleaching cream. You spend money literally on buying cream. At the end of the day, I will dump them. Recently, I found that you can actually drink your skincare. Do you know what I mean by drinking your skincare? You take fruits, vitamin C kind of fruit, you know, fruit that has vitamin C. You can take pineapple juice, orange juice, you can mix them together. Lately, I've been taking, in fact, the only cream I'm rubbing now is my, what's the name of this cream again? Let me get it. This is the cream I'm using. This is moisturizing cream with shea butter. I don't think it has something that will make me to glow. I bought this cream last year and I've been using it because I don't use it every day. I rub oil. I don't know the name of this oil, but I'm going to show you later. This moisturizing cream, I've been using it for 1 year plus. Do you know why I was able to use it 1 year plus? Because I don't use it every day. This still boils down to what I take. I tried taking fruit juice. I make my juice myself, so we can as well, you know, replicate the same thing. When I wear moisturizer, when I apply my essence, it helps to lock in the whole thing. After all said and done, I've been using this Dr. MarachiO vitamin C serum for over the years. I don't know what's actually compelled me to go and buy another face serum, and I never liked it, so I had to go back to my first love. So I went back to Dr. MarachiO. You know, just don't want to be using too much product on my face. I don't want to be using too much product on my body. Let my skin breathe. Last but not the least, I want to thank you all. I want to thank the 1,899 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. My prayer is that God will continue to replenish you in Jesus' name. I want to go buy something outside. I want to use edge control today. You can see Kennedy's front hair. Too much of edge control is not bad. See what it's doing to my front hair. So I think tomorrow I'm going to loosen this hair. I'm gonna lose it tomorrow.